Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Online Support Program Week 2 Round 4. I am Shiraz Faisal, your computer teacher for Class 7. Textbook required are E-Skill Learner Level 7, pages 89 to 91, Chapter Module 4 Task 1, Networking Basics. Resources required are E-Skill Learner Level 7, Internet, mobile PC or laptop. Summary of the lesson: communication protocol, network speed, optical fiber, and how internet works. What is a network? A computer network, also simply called a network, is a group of two or more computers and other devices like printers, mobile phone, and tablets that are linked through cables, fiber channels, or wireless technologies like infrared, radio waves, satellite, etc. Devices connected to a network are called nodes. Communication protocol. A communication protocol is a system of digital messages, formats, and rules for exchanging these messages. A protocol defines the way that the messages should be formed. Communication protocol packets must have a certain structure. The header. It contains bits that indicate the sender and the receiver as well as communication protocol and packet numbers. The information data, which is called payload, a couple of bits that tell the receiver that it has reached the end of the packet called trailer. Network speed. In a computer, network speed has to do with how fast the data is transmitted. In a network, speed is calculated in binary units per second. For example, 1 bit per second is written as 1 Bps or 1 bit per second s. Network speed, asymmetric digital subscriber line, ADSL. ADSL supports data rates from 1.5 up to 24 Mbits per second when receiving data downstream, and from 0.5 to 3.5 megabits per second when sending data, that is upstream. Very high bitrate digital line subscriber, VDSL. VDSL supports super accelerated data rates of 300 Mbps downstream and 100 Mbps upstream for short distances. What is a network? A computer network, also simply called a network, is a group of two or more computers and other devices like printers, mobile phone, and tablets that are linked through cables, fiber channels, or wireless technologies like infrared, radio waves, satellite, etc. Devices connected to a network are called nodes. Optical fiber. Optical fiber is a flexible, transparent fiber made of silicone or plastic, slightly thicker than a human hair. Data is converted to light, and optical fibers permit the exchange of these light signals over long distances and at higher data rates than other forms of communication. How Internet works. The Internet lets us transfer information around the world in seconds. When you connect your computer to the Internet, you are connecting to special type of server that provided by your Internet Service Provider ISP. The ISP server provides a link between your computer and the outside world, the Internet. See what happens when you want to view a web page from your browser. Number 1. You type an address into the browser's address bar. 2. Your browser sends a request to your ISP server asking for the page. Your ISP server looks in a huge database of internet addresses and finds the exact web server which hosts the website you want, then send a request for the page to the server. The web server sends the requested page to your ISP server. Number 5. Your ISP sends the page to your browser and you see it displayed on your screen. History. The Integrated Service Digital Network (ISDN) supports the digital transmission of voice, video and data. The Public Switch Telephone Network (PSTN) allows any telephone in the world to communicate with any other. The PSTN transmits data at a rate of 64 kilobits per second. Both of these technologies are slowly and becoming obsolete. Summary of today's lesson: communication protocol, network speed, optical fiber, how internet works. Ask for help from your teacher if you do not understand something. Optical fiber. Optical fiber is a flexible, transparent fiber made of silicone or plastic, slightly thicker than a human hair. Data is converted to light and optical fibers permit the exchange of these light. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.